Blogger Roundup. It's myOrganized.life live June 28th, 2019. Hey, I stole your intro, yeah.
You stole my lines. How
we
can
kind of
you do
half
that?
planned that at the last second.
Oh, wow.
Well, you know, sometimes you gotta change it up.
I'm being replaced by a computer. No.
What do
no.
you mean? I am not that computer.
Yes, very good. Well, are you going to do the show
No,
open then
that's
too?
you. No, that's you.
Is it? Okay. Well,
Yeah.
This is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and on Fridays we do
Your favorite show
yours,
and mine,
Blogger
Roundup.
and a special version of Blogger Roundup today with a Leanne intro.
Yes.
This will go down in the history books.
Okay.
I don't know.
At least
something,
for
it's
the
gotta
time.
be something
Right.
unique. And
Yeah, well,
anyway.
it's kind of fun to do it once in a while.
Hey,
So,
yes. Fridays are fun because it's the end of the week.
It
right?
is.
And we do Blogger Roundup. The reason it's our favorite show is because we get to go out. Actually,
I get to go
you
out.
Get to go out and find
Scour the web.
cool things.
I found 3 cool blogs today.
Yes.
Very exciting.
I look at these names here, and people probably say we're playing favorites again,
know.
right?
I know, but that's who's updating.
You reward the people who work hard and participate.
Yesterday we asked for comments on.
Yes. Oh, did you get one?
Well, we got one comment, but it wasn't about a blog. It was from Ellen DeLapp, who actually we're talking to today.
Well, so yeah, there you
She
go.
had a little comment.
You rewarded her.
I rewarded her by
For
talking about.
commenting. You get a lot of rewards in the show.
Yes.
By the way, whoever sent me the pictures of the Bryce Canyon.
That's right. You got a little special
We
surprise
talking about,
email.
You know, I'm going to Utah to look at the national parks, and then they sent me a nice email. Thank you.
That's nice.
If
you ever want to send us anything else, you know, you can mail things to.
Yeah, we still have mail
600 Smead Boulevard. You know, we like candy, chocolates,
Starbucks
gift cards.
Work always well, but anyway,
anything you want.
Okay.
Anyway,
We are
back
really
to the
begging
blogs.
now.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah,
Let's start.
Slide
the first
number
one,
one.
the Shawna method. Shawna Turner.
Yes.
If you fix it, ...
Ooh. Hey, I like that picture too. Do you think
That kind of looks like you in a way. I mean, this is kind of like your shirt.
Yeah.
I don't know who would fix a faucet with a dress shirt on.
Yeah.
I mean,
Maybe
the
it's
second you yank that
you
out,
think
all
it's your
that.
husband? You know.
I don't know.
They're kind of
Maybe.
formal people.
Is this a stock photography or
I don't
photo?
know.
Is
No,
this her
she
husband?
uses all her own photos, I think.
Okay, Shawna,
Shawna,
if this
you'll
is
have
you,
to let us know. Who
tell
is
me
in that
if this
picture
is
in
your
the dress
relative
shirt?
and why is he wearing a dress shirt?
Yeah, we'd like to know.
Maybe it's an old dress shirt and it's like
Could be,
stained and
yeah.
ripped and she's reusing things.
Repurposing.
Not.
What was the blog about, by the way?
Let's get to that, okay? If you fix it, whether it's your goal to get organized, lose weight, or get a job, etc., you just have to take the first step. It can be intimidating, and it can be sometimes difficult, but there are excuses why you don't do it.
Yes.
We lack the knowledge, our schedules are full, we don't have room, but the fact remains that nothing gets done until we begin.
Yeah, isn't that something? The first step. It's
Yes.
just like, it's just like the old window washing trick my wife pulls on me.
Did she do that this year?
No, we actually hired someone to do the windows
she got
because we had
smart.
the graduation party.
Oh, that's right.
But yeah, normally it's like, let's just do 3 windows.
3 windows.
3 windows, that's all.
Oh, there's only 2 more over here. Let's just
2
do
more.
those.
Yeah, 5 hours later. Okay, can you do number 38 and 39?
Yeah, the whole house is done now.
I'm tired. Okay.
Okay, so often the best way to get started is to break the project into chunks. And now she's admitting this is her go-to solution.
Yes.
But she does go on in the blog and share stories of some interesting things that have happened with either her or clients.
Does she say in there, how do you eat an elephant, one bite
She
at
does
a time?
not use that what is that term, cliche, analogy, whatever. Okay, I'm just going to give you one story of,
give me one
I think
story.
it's her client, the bathroom faucet. In this situation, the homeowner decided to replace her bathroom faucet. She went shopping, bought the new faucet, which led to install the new faucet, which led to, I need to get under the sink to get to the faucet. Oh, look at all that stuff under there. I need to clean that out. Et cetera, et cetera. It moved on to the drawers, to the medicine cabinet.
And then it became
and
a
before
remodel.
you knew it, well, I don't think it went that far. But before you knew it, the whole bathroom was organized. And
maybe that's a woman in that picture with the dress shirt fixing her bathroom faucet. Could that be?
I don't
Maybe that's Shawna.
I don't think it's
I don't know. We can't just assume it's a guy.
Well,
we?
I mean, this day and age, you cannot assume anything.
Should we put the slide up?
Yes.
Okay, you have to go to the blog to find
the
this
Shawna
out.
method, if you fix it.
Yeah, and let us know if you think that's male or female. And Shawna, if you're watching, who
Tell
is
us who that is.
with that dress shirt on.
If it's a man, he's going to be offended that you think it's a woman. I do not think this is a woman.
That could almost be one of those like uniforms too. Maybe it's a professional plumber.
Oh.
You never know.
Yeah.
You're going to have to go to the blog and find out. Okay, let's put the next slide up. Oh, that's mine.
That's yours.
Effective meetings. How to plan and run them. Simply Placed. It's simplyplaced.com. Debbie Rosemont. Another one of our regulars on this show, right? Okay, so studies show, did you know?
Okay.
How many hours a week? Oh, you've already read the blog, so you probably
Honestly, I didn't read this one word for word.
Okay, so how many hours a week do you think the average worker spends in meetings?
5.
You read the blog.
No, I didn't. Honestly, that was a wild guess.
Yes, they spend an average of 5 hours a week. That's
wow.
Very good. You're very...
I'm very smart.
You're very smart.
That's why we do this show.
By the way, we did a podcast a couple years ago with Debbie.
On productive meetings.
Productive meetings. So you can go to sme.com/podcast and go down to Debbie Rosemont. I can't tell you what number it is right now, but you could go to put it in the search bar meetings too.
Sure.
You find it out. Okay, so Debbie has just some quick points. I'm not going to talk about all of them, but how to do effective meetings. Number one, we've heard this one before, create an agenda. Which is very important.
And hopefully no one will steal your thunder.
That's right. And furthermore, send that agenda out before the meeting. So people have expectations.
That's a good idea.
Now, I had a meeting last week where I sent the agenda out and it got...
Bye-bye.
Before we even got to item number 1, someone decided they wanted to go draw on the board. And then, it was a productive meeting, but we never covered really anything on the agenda.
And then you sat silent the whole time, right?
I was kind of interesting. The drawing was pretty.
Oh,
so
we'll
see what happens there. But anyway, always start and finish your meetings on time. I mean, that you respect other people's time, and if you can establish that habit too, then people will respect your meetings. But if you're like going to a meeting and always going 2 hours, it's like, oh no, we got to go into another one of his meetings. It's going to go for 2 hours. And,
yep.
So do that.
Helene Segura also has a blog this week. It's kind of about productivity and planning your time. Well, it kind of ties into that.
Yeah. So. And here's an interesting one. Consider standing during the meeting to help keep it short, and ban cell phones and other small non-essential electronic devices.
Yeah, isn't that kind of bad?
So, have a wand at the door if you hear anything. Give me that cell phone.
But standing, I don't know. That seems like people are going to...
Don't you hate it when you're in a meeting and someone's just doing this the whole time? They're not even listening.
Yes.
They're not. They're just doing just like, oh, you want to call them out. But
I know, you do. But if they stand, it feels like they're on the verge of leaving.
What are those meetings called where they have like these stand? There's a name for that. Like it's
people do walking meetings, probably like in the cities and stuff.
I've heard there's a term for a standing meeting, and it's, where you kind of come in and it's like, and you have a certain amount of time and you exchange ideas. Okay. Maybe that'll be a topic for another show.
Sure, good idea.
A meeting that stands. Okay. What can you do after the meeting? She's saying, consider other things than just that same old meeting format. Maybe do a daily check-in or like a weekly check-in with different people, so you may not have to have that other meeting because you've got some of these other things that can be taken care of in those other things. So anyway, let's put that slide up. Debbie Rosemont, effective meetings, how to plan and run them. It's simplyplaced.com. Slide number 3.
Number 3, professional-organizer.com, a peek inside the homes of professional organizers.
Ooh,
Ellen DeLapp. So this is kind of fun. You should actually...
Pictures?
No, she has a pretty, stock photo.
Although,
she kind of
just
lists.
Want to see the inside of her home?
Watch one of our numerous podcasts.
Yes,
you can see that grand
staircase
with her kids' pictures in the background.
She's done the kitchen before. So we've done various locations in her house. So
all of our organizers have nice little areas that they present.
What does she have to say about a sneak
She's had the pleasure of visiting chapters throughout the country since she was the past NAPO president.
That's right.
And she gets to stay with some of her colleagues at times, and so she kind of just gives us a little insight as to what professional organizers use in their home.
Does she use any names? Does she scoop people out?
Hey,
when I was in
I don't think so.
Home, Pip, he's got
his own master bedroom and his private ensuite.
Yeah, with the big pillow, man. Oh, Pip lives like a king, right?
Yes.
Maybe not.
Oh, gosh. Okay. So innovation. her colleagues find innovative ways to use their spaces. Of course, they organize up. They use wall space, door organizers, shoe organizers up on the wall. Let's see here.
Now,
command hooks.
Yeah. Now, knowing Ellen, there's probably no professional organizer she goes to who's really disorganized, right?
I don't know. Probably not.
Probably not.
Probably
she
not.
wouldn't dish on that.
I don't
Ellen's
think so.
So nice.
She is so nice. Yeah.
I bet you see a lot of Pinteresty kinds of houses when you stay in a professional organizer's house.
Yeah. Command hooks. I use command hooks in my closet to hang bags and stuff. The favorite products that people use are shoe boxes or small plastic bins the size of shoe boxes for pet leashes and accessories, maybe in their pantry to hold like loose foods or for in case of Pip, like caviar in the little bin. Yes. Oh gosh, and probably his Fiji water, probably out of a bottle. Yeah, pouring it into his little gold-plated dish. Does Ellen have any pets? I don't know if she has a dog. I think she might have said she had a dog one time, but I can't remember. We know Amy Tokus has a dog. Yes. Her dog. Been on our show before. Yep. A lot of dogs appear on our podcast, so you should watch that just for the animals. And birds. Yes. And for the kitchen, another favorite is the Lazy Susan. Yes. Do you guys use those in your kitchens? Oh, yeah. They're all over. Have them built in. They're nice. Our covers, They're so nice. And then let's see. Professional organizers love their closets. So shoe organizers again. Yes. And let's see. Slimline hangers to have your clothes neatly arranged. Yes. And then she just talks about routines at the end on how you kind of get in your routine with whether it's grocery shopping or laundry, whatever. Right. Keeping that routine will help you. So there we go. Slide up, professional-organizer.com, a peek inside the homes of professional organizers. Yes, Ellen DeLapp. Ellen DeLapp. Okay, so you know it is Friday. Yes, end of the month. End of the month. Means July is on Monday. So what happens on June 30th? Oh, the summer sale ends. The summer sale ends. So, folks, this is the last time we can talk about this until next year. Oh, gosh, yes. We'll do it next year again. Yeah. It's our annual sale. 25% off FB Hot 25. Over at myOrganized.life. This is now it's down to... Are people going there and using that code? Oh, gosh, yeah. Good. Yeah, it's really a great time. I mean, 25% off. That's everything. Nice. So people are stocking up. I got it. Yeah, cool. So go over to myOrganized.life, FB Hot 25. Get some things. And Sunday at midnight. Yeah. So for those procrastinators out there, you don't have much time. No. And if you're watching this like on Monday, sorry, you'll have to wait till next year. And but don't. We've given but you still like go there and buy stuff. I know. We've given you a whole month to get this deal. Yeah. Okay. So, but maybe the prices are good there anyway. Right. But this is great. Mm-hmm. So. And Monday means a new month. A new month. Do you have the July calendar done? Nope, I don't. We got about 2 hours left in this day. 2 hours in the day, sure. And then otherwise I could do it Monday morning. But we're also going to be gone a couple days next week, right? We'll probably not be dark on... Yes, we'll be dark Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, because somebody's traveling. You are traveling. Yes. I will be gone the 8th of July, Monday the 8th, and the 12th. So you'll have to decide what you want to do on the bookend of that week. We'll have to come back on the 9th then. No, wait, isn't Monday the 9th? No. Monday is the 8th. Monday the 8th, okay. I'm gone the 8th. So we'll probably start the show back up on Tuesday the 9th. So we take all of next week off? No, just the one. Oh, right. No, okay, yes, got it. We'll be gone, so here's the here's the schedule. We just had a meeting. Effective, we're standing and it's quick. We have an audience. And this is how decisions get made here. Okay. So we're going to be off next Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so we're here Monday, Tuesday. We're here Monday, and then the following week, you're gone on Monday, so we're off Monday. So we'll be back that following week on Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There we go. And then I'll be gone Friday, so you'll have to do blog a Roundup alone. I might do that. Yeah, I think you could handle that. I can maybe handle that. It's not like solution day where I have the Friday flu or something, and you know what happens. And yeah, I know. That's the way it goes on a nice summer day. Yep. That flu seems to have an effect on Fridays here. It does. I know. Okay, folks. Well, we've taken way too much of your time. Yes, we have. It's time for you to go enjoy your weekend. If we don't talk to you before the 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, and we will see you here Monday, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, myOrganized.life, live. It's the summer sale at myOrganized.life with 25% off office products like file folders, hanging folders, accordion files, and presentation products.
You can get it at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. 25% off all products. It's our summer sale at myOrganized.life.